Hi guys and welcome to Strength Universe. This is just a quick video to bring you the results of the log press, which was the fourth event of the 2021 World's Strongest Man final. Some of the results of the log press for Max come as a bit of a surprise and really picks things up on the leaderboard. Luke Stockman took the event win by pressing 215 kilograms and takes 10 points. Maxime Boudreau, Trey Mitchell and Bobby Thompson each achieved 205 kilograms and take 8 points apiece. Brian Shaw managed 195 kilograms and takes 5 points, along with Konstantin Janashia and JF Caron. Tom Stockman could only manage 185 kilograms and he shares 2.5 points along with I4. And Adam Bishop could only manage 170 kilograms and only takes a single point. These results mean that while Tom Stockman is still leading the final on 31 points, Brian Shaw has closed the gap and is now only 3 points behind with 28. Luke Stockman has got 27 points, just a single point behind Brian, and Maxime Boudreau is in 4th, just half a point behind Luke. Konstantin Janashia is in 5th, Trey Mitchell in 6th, JF Caron in 7th, Bobby Thompson is in 8th, I4 is in 9th, and Adam Bishop has slipped right down the table to 10th. That brings me towards the end of this update, but the next event up will be the 350 kilogram deadlift for reps that takes place in a couple of hours. I hope you enjoyed this update. If you did, please help support my channel by smashing like, sharing the video and subscribing. Thank you.